Casca Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Casca Credit Repair and related tools are included in the description below. Casca Credit Repair is a streamlined, AI-driven platform designed to help individuals take control of their credit scores through smart automation, user-friendly tools, and a personalized approach to financial recovery. Built for people with poor to fair credit who are looking for a simple yet effective system, Casca offers a clear path to identify negative items, dispute errors across all 3 credit bureaus, and build stronger credit habits over time. One of its core features is the automated dispute generator, which allows users to scan their credit reports and instantly create professionally written dispute letters tailored to the issues found. Casca also provides step-by-step guidance through each stage of the credit repair process, ensuring that users aren't left guessing what to do next. It includes integrated credit monitoring, alerts on key changes, and actionable tips that help users improve their credit profile beyond just removing inaccuracies. A standout strength of Casca is its mobile-first design, perfect for users who want to manage everything from their phone. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy or financially experienced. Casca also offers educational resources and budgeting advice, which makes it more of a financial wellness platform than just a basic repair tool. Another strong point is pricing. It's considerably more affordable than traditional credit repair firms and doesn't lock users into long-term contracts. However, Casca isn't without weaknesses. While it's great for self-directed users, it may not be the best fit for those who want a fully managed, hands-off solution. The platform requires you to stay engaged and proactive, and while it provides automated tools, the process still relies on the standard response times from credit bureaus, which can take weeks. Additionally, Casca's focus is mostly on the US market, so international users may find limited support. Overall, Casca Credit Repair is a smart, budget-friendly option for individuals looking to clean up their credit reports, understand their credit better, and build long-term habits that support financial health. Check the description for links to Casca and get started on improving your credit today.